Welcome to Dr. Yeap Ban Har's Problem Box. In today's lesson, we are going to solve a problem. Let's see what problem we have for today. Today's problem is about a figure that is made using triangles like this, according to a certain rule. Figure number 1 is this. We have seen Figure 1, Figure 2, Figure 3, and Figure 4. So, these figures are made according to a rule. And I'm not telling you the rule. The problem today is how many triangles are needed for Figure 20. Also, in Figure 20, how many yellow triangles are needed? Hence, how many blue triangles are needed? That's our problem for today. Let's try it. Have you managed to find out the number of pieces that we need to make triangle 20? So that's triangle 1. Just one triangle to make triangle 1. Triangle 2, we need 1 and 3. We need 4 pieces. Triangle 3, we need 1, 3, and 5. We need 9 pieces. And triangle 4, we need 1, 3, 5, and 7. We need 16 pieces. Are you able to see a pattern? Are you able to use that pattern to find out the number of pieces, the number of small triangles needed to make Figure 20? How about the number of yellow triangles? I think the number of blue triangles, that's not difficult to find once I know the number of yellow triangles. I can simply subtract it from the total number of pieces we use. So I'm going to focus on thinking about finding out the number of yellow triangles. In triangle 1, there is 1 yellow triangle. In triangle 2, there is still 1 yellow triangle because in making Figure 2 from Figure 1, we are adding the blue ones. No yellow ones. In triangle 3, we have 1 and 5. We have 6 yellow triangles. And in Figure 4, we still have 6 yellow triangles. So the number of yellow triangles go from, in triangle 1, we have 1 yellow triangle. In triangle 2, we have still 1 yellow triangle. In triangle 3, we have 1 and 5, we have 6 yellow triangles. In triangle 4, we have also 6 yellow triangles. Are you able to see a pattern? You might be able to see a pattern better if you continue to find out in triangle 5 and triangle 6 how many yellow triangles are there. and hopefully you might be able to see a pattern that might be helpful for you. What's the answer? How many triangles are needed to make triangle 20? First, total number of triangles. Triangle 1, there's one triangle. Triangle 2, there are 4 triangles. 4 small triangles, 4 pieces. Triangle 3, there are 9. Triangle 4, there are 16. So that's quite an easy pattern, isn't it? That's right. Triangle 1, 1 times 1 pieces. Triangle 2, 2 times 2 pieces. Triangle 3, 3 times 3 pieces. Triangle 4, 4 times 4 pieces. So triangle 20, that's right, 20 times 20 pieces. 400 pieces, 400 small triangles to make triangle 20. What about the number of yellow triangles? We have managed to get this up to now. If we continue building the triangle according to the same rule, we can see that in triangle 5, we need another row of yellow triangles. How many? We have 1 triangle in the first row, 3 triangles in the second row, 5 triangles in the third row, 7 triangles in the fourth row. So there must be, and you can check by making it, 9 yellow triangles in the next row. So the number of yellow triangles will now be 9 more than before. And that's 15. Triangle 6 is easy because we are going to add the blue triangles. So number of yellow triangles remains at 15. Are we able to see a pattern in the total number of triangles that we have? And then make use of that pattern to find out the number of yellow triangles in triangle 20. I noticed that this is really 1 times 1. 6 is really 2 times 3. 15 is 3 times 5. If this pattern is useful, I will suspect that in triangle 7 and triangle 8, the number of yellow triangles is going to be, I wonder what it's going to be. 1, 2, 3. Might it be 4? Times what? 1, 3, 5. Also, the difference between these two, 0. The difference between these two, 1. The difference between these two, 2. So the difference between these two, well, I think it's going to be 7. Which means the number of yellow triangles in triangle 7 and triangle 8 is going to be 28. Of course, we can check by actually making those triangles using the pieces. And if this pattern works, are we able to tell for triangle 20 how many yellow triangles there are going to be? Triangle 8, 4. Triangle 6, 3. Triangle 4, 2. Triangle 2, 1. Can you see how we can get that number for triangle 20? I think you are right if you say 10. Does it make sense for that to be 10? Triangle 2, we have 1. Triangle 4, we have 2. Triangle 6, we have 3. Triangle 8, we got 4. Triangle 20, we got 10. How about this other number? Triangle 8, we got 7. Triangle 6, we got 5. Triangle 4, we got 3. Triangle 2, we got 1. Is there a pattern connecting those numbers? That's right. This number is 1 less than that. 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 So this number has to be 1 less than that, giving us 190 yellow triangles. And once you know the number of yellow triangles, we also know the total number of triangles. I think all we need to do is a subtraction to find the number of blue triangles. If you find today's problem easy, you can challenge yourself. Perhaps you can ask, how many yellow triangles are there in triangle 2020? Do you think you can figure that out? Or how about triangle M, where M can be any whole number? If you find today's problem easy, you can challenge yourself in those ways. See you next time in another problem box.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through.